Kangamu Kangshawi na Kapaki Ka Mkuramana Kachi, former Chief Minister Ibobi na Hangda Jingri Kawai Kasataira. Aadhaar based verification Kakui Bingwi registration mandatory Sakavai UIDAI na Ayin Gater Kuirahaura. Halelo, Tangkhul Express TV Pao, RINGYAOPHI Mahak NINGSHEN in a Pamidale. Pao Bing May Saina, Nanang Rumsa. Kangamu Kangashaw violence in a solution Makuira by Managachi, former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh Nahanghaira. Maram Himawan Sagahaya, Moirang Tem Ibodombi Singwi, 31st Kati anniversary Kamyoni Kahang. Ang ranang jili Ibobi na Madwida violence na Yari Rindi Kapa Kika Mukiramana, Sathat Kangaroki Mikumo Kanga Cha Maning Manada Hangsanga. Gazip Jili High Rock Assembly constituency we remain now Kala Kernau Sunny pension Yaumi Haira, 31st Moirang Tem Ibodombi Memorial Charitable Trust na Moirang Tem Ibodombi Memorial Complex Hayrok Part 2 Mayay Laikayli Memorial Program Kuikayan. Mawon sa kahaya Moirang Tem Ibodombi with Brave Moirang Tem Ongbi Ibehalli ang ranang yiji hapok niya. Mawon sa kahaya Jiwi Mirin Kharchan Kala Oting Root Kuimi Kahay Jitayda Gazib Jili Photo Exhibition Rung Mihaira Duigui Hingsi Amati Hinghansi da Jingri Kawai Akasata Oktui Kawai Kasataira. Ang ranang jili blood donation camp la Rungmia. Pension Committee with beneficiaries Tinkani Shakatum Kaya Kanuidot Shakani na Ashi donate Sahira. Kimong ka aina Kangamu Kangashaw Mashur Kawai Ka Aka Kangasa Community Semka Kawai former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi na Kasatsangan. To short hi violence mazangla ngami kui Kawai sada mi gachivana Jingri na Oktui Kawai sa ka Manipurli kajangka Jingri Kahai Rara da Ibobin Hangsanga. Ang ranang jili Sungnu MLA K Ranjit Kudrakpam MLA TH Lageshwar Kala Congress Party Wimibing Vazanga. Aadhaar based verifications Kakui Bingwi registration mandatory Sakavai UIDAI na Ayin Gater Kuirakavai Ngaran Haira. Hotels, event organizers, Higata and deities na verification wibang the customer Bingwi Aadhaar cards photocopy kuilaga physical formed haikabam malenga Sakavai Ayin le Haura dele. Ayin Jima Sangla Pong Mi Haura Kaji senior government official na Hanghaira. Jikata Otsak Kaja Aadhaar copy High Committee Aadhaar Act kui azingli mamayamana da hanga. Unique Identification Authority of India UIDAI we CEO Bhuvnesh Kumar na PTI Ligahang Aadhaar based verification kabo hotels event organizers Higata and ID Bing registration Sakavai Ayin Gatar High Kawai Authority na Maya Hairan. Register Salaga and ID Bing Jina Technology Gatar access later Jili mi akawi machut verify Sakavai QR code scan kasamaning ka Aadhaar app Gatarli ngasun naka sang Sakavai randli the top official na hang.
यार ऐसा क्या है इसमें जो हमारे सीमेंट में नहीं?
इसमें माइक्रोफाइबर है।
माइक्रोफाइबर यानी
जो दीवारों को रखे अंदर से मजबूत।
हमारे सीमेंट में नहीं है।
पूरे देश के किसी सीमेंट में नहीं है।
सालों की रिसर्च और सबसे आधुनिक टेक्नोलॉजी से बनी है ड्यूरागार्ड माइक्रोफाइबर सीमेंट, जिसकी पेटेंटेड फाइबर युक्त टेक्नोलॉजी दे आपके घर को सालों की जबरदस्त पकड़। ड्यूरागार्ड, सीधी बात है, ड्यूरागार्ड खास है।
Achukum Nagaland we Hornbill Festival li milak akha langta razanghaira. Nagaland we nitre chiwizimik shot thurwelungli 1.13 lakhs visitors kahaira da hanga. Magada katharuka Hornbill Festival jili visitors lak akha tingtrada katum shataruk hangtruk da shini kada razanga kaji Nagaland Sarkar na ayamatang hanga. Teda thi shurda nitre jili wagazang ji domestic la local tourists na kachungana. Foreign tourists Ra Gazangla steady sadly the hanga. Hornbill Festival Zimik short Turugalungli Razangahai Mi Machingji 1,645 foreigners, 28,637 domestic tourists, 83,385 local visitors at the hanga. Internally displaced person pingling a John Kami, Paisali Makangi, Gatat Kakwile Hawada, Technopal District with BJP, ST, Morjan, and Ninka Creek Pongshokaira. IDP Bingwi Wang, Paisa Kamili, unofficial deduction Layakachi Shokawa. Penda Kaleji Mashung Jawa Kachi Matairanga, Ka Yari Wininka Creek Jili Mikan, Zangmi Pulungrada Party Wimi Bingjina Pongshokaira. IDP li Kangasun Ot Kasa official Kala staff Bing, Thirda Kamashungina Ot Sakavai Kasathaira. Press Chanbao Tishuda, Kachang we allowance Matada Mamitu Wada, IDP Shim Kurngada Daitana complaint Kasale Hawa. Technopal we registered IDP Taraka Atumna, Sampangran Atam Jada Masampang Tuachi. BJP ST Morja Jina concerned departments li Kasata, Kangajon Psychology beneficiaries li Matada Fashung Sakavai Hangairan. Atumli Mida Kleji Wena, Magadat Ran, Gagadat Lake Aka, Kala Adam Zanga Hai Leka, Takta Mushunkui Kavai, Morjajina, Hanghaira. Cookie community na Shongfuk Assembly, Makamya, Lidan Pokpi, Uyampok, Ramnau being a protest rally at Haira. Proposed road project Jina environmentally Sakaze, local agricultural land lake hub, Kala community with traditional Karin Karakli, Saza the protest Kasanau being Jinahanga. Protest rally Jili local Katana Ping, Kernau Ping, Kalakunitot Minganin Ping Bazanga. Project Jina Sakazir Ramnau Bingli Matada Kangasan, Malay Rang Lakain Dangda construction Ji Ngasam Sang Sakavai authorities Lingakau Hira. Environmental Kala land use regulation Liga Shur Kala transparency Kalater Kar Sayakaji Hanghira. Ramnau Ping Jina Ninga Creek safety hazards Kala Abam Jili traffic Jungme Hauki Kaji we Sakazir Maram Lahang Sanga. Maram Juiwang District Administration li memorandum misang the road construction project jili thakta yangsang mikawai nga kauhairan. Hagasang regasang paikarli local stakeholders saigorowe pakawai kala kamaya chang phulungra gaji hangda chan nga zeg aina chingri ga hai cham khana khira khawai yare gathana pingli hanghaira gaji ID Pauli sampanga. Tumrada gakhni Imphal Book Fair 2025 with curtain racers rally ayak kui kahaira. State Central Library Imphal Kala District Libraries in a Manipur Department of Art and Cultural na Manipur Library Association MLA in a NGO Pingli Ngashikta Rung Kamina. Religious State Central Library Campus Imphal Win Haupoka Book Fair Jikajang Hiwitai Trada Pangawi in Haupokta Magada Madina Dangda Rung Mira. Religious State Central Library Chief Librarian Dr. R.K. Urmilana Haupokmia. Two-wheeler Religi campus Chuina, Mayai Lambi, Pishum Tong, Singjamay Wangkai, Minutong, Nagamapal, Valaka campus Chili Hanunga. State Mapakwila, Ladek Lehitaran, Itum, Haksang Raisangi Kaji Odli, Ninka Sang, Darkar Sayakaji Hanga. Garden Racer Ji Apora Kapawe, Kankana, Tanga Sakavai Gala, Yari Larikapa, La Damgakui, Shigakuile Kasat Kamikasana. Yarina advertisement nganasa. Kayon Kajang Hiri Kanitangwi Hill District Level Honeybee Festival cum Honey Product Expos Rungmikidale. Kuiru Panijuwi Dugui, Be the Change, Save the Bees, the Angrana Ngiji Development for Rural People, DRP na Ngaran Kamina. Northeastern Council NEC, Nongrim Hills Shillong Ministry of Donor na Manipur State Planning Department we mga ina sponsor sa Milaka Manipur Horticultural and Soil Conservation Department na implement kasana. Ang ranang Chili Tribal Days na Katomia, Hill District Level Honeybee Festival cum Honey Product Expos G Kayon Kachang Hiwitarik Trada Panga ina Trada Truktang Ukrul DRD Holy Rumira. Panit Hau Kapok ang ranang Manipur Horticultural and Soil Conservation Commissioner IAS Thai Tui Lung Pamay na Masawa Samira. Panichili Tangkhul Long Raping Horticultural and Soil Conservation we Minganin, NEC Secretariat Shillong we Mi, MIDH, UDCRMS we Minganin Pingla Vazangra Dele. Panichik Kupkasang Tarik Trata Truktang Ukrul Deputy Commissioner IAS Ashishtas na Masawa Sada Zangra. Hill District Level Honeybee Festival cum Honey Product Expos to with technical session the SPI Ukrulna. We Manager TS John Monsang, PNB Ukrul Manager Ring GP Ragui, Tribal Days Founder Entrepreneur Yaringam NINGSHEN, Apparatus Apparent Trainer Thot Maya Tamang All Manipur Beekeeper Association with President Thongam Joysana Meite Atumna Resource Person Samira. Technical session Chili Kui Gagay Nauping in a financial institution being we Kangashik Kui Gagay Abari Start Up with Financial Inclusion Policy Hill District Kui Gaylaga Sakui Gabai Apparent Preneurs with Potential Gala Stability Kui Gagayli Taigi Gachi Abari Health Pest Control Gala Colony Management Honeybee Morphology and Life Cycle Kui Gagui Basic Foundation Gala Bee Farming Management Hibing Hi Hangjitaira Panichili Nhanda Ladele Quickest Queen Spotting Competition Lives Beehives Harvest and Spot Selling Competition Best Beehive Auction Highest Price Competition Hibing Hi Quickara Kanitang we Panichi Ngator Pung Chuko Makaidi Mingchen Hapokra Angrana Yang Ngator Pung Trali Hapokra Udyam registered MSME unit cycle Lekachishat Sali Gaja, Ukrul District Likanitang Wivang District Level Vendor Development Program, VDB Gum Exhibition of Product Rungmira. Here rising and accelerations of MSME performance ramps Kim Wazingli Rungmiki Gachina. Angran Angeji MSME Bingli Market Access Mikavai, MSME Bing Ina, PSUs, buyers and procurement agencies ngasun mi khawai compliance quality kala digital onboarding le katom mi khawai kala ODOP GI and local sector products promote sami khawai kasana Ukrul district level vendor development program kam exhibition ji akhama tarik ji shat ina khnau thang tarik ji go thang rungmi ki kachina abam na mera yuva bharat hall opposite 6 MR Ukrul district headquarters adamna ngathor bung ji go makhaili hapokra Maram hi gup maida thai khawai Ukrul district we Udyam registered MSME unit pingna Elizabeth R. Shimreli mobile phone number 9863015251 di nghanwa paira. Pau hi DIC Ukrul and Kamjong with General Manager Temrayoti Aungshina mikashokna. Ladluida ajiwe kamataya pau ping. Kangamu Kangshawi na kapaki ka mkwirama na kachi former Chief Minister Ibobi na hangda jingri kawai kasathaira. Aadhaar based verification kakui bingwi registration mandatory sakawai UIDAI na ayin gathar kwirahawra. Ajawi bao hiling jang haira bao nada kleina tum sai korli ringapha kala kamhai zimikshong sa serno.